Air Freight Manchester, IZ Global Logistics take its responsibility for delivery extremely seriously as a significant global air freight forwarding company. Because of our strategic connections with prime carriers across all major commercial destinations, we are one of the leading air freight forwarders, delivering your cargo on time and safely to any destination in the globe. Contents: Air Freight Manchester Airport, Air Freight Manchester Services, Air Freight Manchester with IZ Global Logistics. Save money and time with IZ Global Logistics. Air Freight Manchester Airport. Manchester has the most freight forwarders outside of London and provides a global route network via the freighter and belly hold cargo networks of the world's biggest operators. Manchester Airport's ever-expanding cargo community includes some of the world's biggest freight and logistics companies. The World Freight Terminal, our cargo facility, is a community of over 1,000 experts who manage freight-only aircraft as well as consignments that arrive or depart in the holds of passenger aircraft. The rising long-haul network of Manchester is increasing the possibility for belly-hold freight, particularly to Asia and the Middle East. Manchester Airport serves as the region's international entry point. Currently, Manchester Airport transports about 100,000 tons of freight and mail yearly between the north of England and 160 locations across the globe. More than 1,000 experts work together in Manchester Airport's cargo facility, the World Freight Terminal, to manage shipments that fly exclusively for freight as well as shipments that arrive or depart in the holds of passenger planes. Our 24/7 service runs from 60,000 square meters of warehouse and office space for an extensive air cargo support system. We have expanded to suit the growing demands on importers and exporters across the nation. Air Freight Manchester Services. Air Freight Manchester has a greater advantage over other forms of transit thanks to its global flexibility. The quickest and safest way to move goods is by Air Freight Manchester. Because of this, Air Freight Manchester can assist with the shipping of goods to any area in the world, no matter how distant. Due to its ability to deliver items faster to distant locations, Air Freight aids your company in expanding its global reach. The Air Freight services in Manchester can make sure that the risk of theft or damage to your shipment is kept to a minimal thanks to the strict security and monitoring procedures used in airports all around the world. Manchester Airport. Air freight can be an important aspect of any supply chain network. As a result, IZ Global Logistics specializes in air freight. Manchester Airport. We have built strong ties with our shipping partners throughout time, and we are in a strong position to obtain the best pricing for your shipment. Air Freight Manchester with IZ Global Logistics. IZ Global Logistics Freight Services, as an independent freight forwarder, may offer the following services and facilities. We can issue airway bills on behalf of any airline, provide NES customs clearance, and assist with all other customs requirements. We offer weekly consolidations to practically all global destinations, ensuring the most cost-effective rate for your shipment. Letters of credit storage can be supplied on a long or short-term basis. Experienced and customer-focused personnel are available, and full insurance is accessible on call 24 hours a day, 7 days a week to service your urgent shipments. First available departures on scheduled airline services with 24/7 tracking. Express emergency includes hand carry aboard courier scheduled consolidations with space, pre-booked in advance, and by consolidating shipments. We can provide door-to-door service for all shipments by leveraging our global network of partners. Door-to-door service from the supplier to the consignee, including customs clearance and delivery, nationwide collection and delivery, same day or overnight, from any location in the United Kingdom. Save money and time with IZ Global Logistics. You may take advantage of the quickness and affordability of our air freight, making the most of the services. Our exceptional proficiency in air and ocean freight, as well as our real-time visibility services at each stage, from pickup to delivery, have benefited our customers. We are able to provide multimode alternatives to and from different regions of the world thanks to the region's robust network of important hubs. Each hub also has dedicated container freight facilities that speed up container handling for quick connections.